good for your fashion business. If you have not known how to make suits yet, in my channel I'll be teaching you how to make suits. So do well to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. You can also share my video to anyone you know you love that wants to have this idea of how to create a fantastic suit sleeve. For instance, this is a suit sleeve. Let me drop this. This is a suit sleeve. You can see how good it is, how the curve is. It's a gorgeous suit sleeve. We are making this suit. It's going to be very, very wow. You don't want to miss out. I'm going to be posting this suit very, very soon in my channel. You will see how we cut and make this suit sleeve. So in today's video, I want to teach you how to cut suit sleeve professionally. Just like what you are having here. Just like what you are having here. It's easier than you can ever imagine. Stay glued to the channel. Don't go anywhere. Follow this video from the beginning to the ending. Make sure you don't skip any aspect of this video. Let's dive straight into it. Now, assume this entire board is your fabric. What you will do is to get the arm circumference of the customer or the client, whether huge, big, slim, small, fat, whatever the size is. Just get the round arm circumference. This region, just get the circumference. For instance, if it is 20, you divide by 2, it is going to give you 10. So what you do, you fold your fabric into 10. Let's see. Assume this is the fabric. You have folded one part. You see? Then what you do, you come down here. Then you measure 10 with your shock or whatsoever. You come down again. You measure 10. So you have gotten this 10. What you do now is to run another line with your chalk or your deliverable ink you can use on your fabric. Normally the fabric is usually straight. If it's not straight, you rule a straight line to ensure that it is straight. Now the total length of this suit sleeve, let's assume it is 25. Different clients have different lengths of suit sleeve. Pause it. Sleeve length. So I assume we are using the sleeve length of 25, for instance. So the total length we are going to have here, we are going to have 25 plus the additional numbers I'm going to be putting. Just stay glued to master this art of cutting suit sleeve. So now, this is 25. As you can see, this region here is 25. So you mark 25 on your fabric. You come to the other side. You also mark 25. I hope you come close to the board. I hope you are making it visible. You mark 25. Then you run a straight line there. You see? This is 25. This is 25. Then what you will do now, I'm just ensuring that it's so clean and so very okay. So you can see very well. You have gotten this on your fabric, 25, which is the normal sleeve length of that client. What you go ahead to do, you are going to add 1.5 inches. That 1.5 inches is the folding allowance. You are going to be folding the base of the sleeve. You can see the sleeve. See, it has some folding inside. This is a professional sleeve. It's not like what you usually see. You can see the inside. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. You can see how the sleeve is. It has a unique vent. A unique vent. A unique vent. See, you can see everything about it. You can see it. It has a unique vent. So to achieve this kind of thing, that is what I'm trying to tell you. And you can see the folding. Come closer. The folding we have inside. So that is what we're trying to get now. So you go ahead to add 1.5 inch in addition to the 25. This is 1.5 inches. This is another 1.5 inches. So you go ahead to rule another straight line. Why I'm making this video like this, I want you to have a strong understanding on how to create suit sleeve with ease. So follow this video very carefully. Please, if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe. This channel is new, but I'm trying to see how I can create an impression of good training method where I teach people how to do things with ease. Any kind of thing you need in fashion, both unisex, both male and female, I will continue to teach everyone who is interested to learning how to do these things with ease. So you can see this is 1.5. Then I will now go ahead to add another thing, because when you make your suit sleeve, you see this region of the suit. Come closer. This region of the suit is usually bulky because we put what they call pads on it. So this it creates room for other allowances that we need to have. Because of that, we are going to add another 1.5 inches, because this thing is going to be is higher than your normal shoulder. So we're going to be adding that allowance, which is another 1.5 inches. So we'll go ahead to mark another 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. Wow. With this, we are going to go ahead to start marking out the normal margin we need to draft out the suit sleeve. Let's see what we'll do. Then we'll come to this point. We'll take 2 inches down here. 2 inches. You can see the 2 inches. The center point of these 2 points is 5, because here is 10. So the center point is 5. So we'll come to this other point. We are going to take the arm circumference divide by 2. Assume the arm circumference is 16. The arm circumference is 16. Divide by 2 is going to give us 8. Because of that, we are going to be going here by 8 inches. You can see 8 inches. 8 inches. Here we are using 2. It's a standard for both children and adults. So here is 16 inches. Pay close attention. Don't skip any part of this video if you want to gain value. Then what you do is to connect this part with ½ inch away from this point. ½ inch away. Here, ½ inch away. Then you go and meet the center point. You come also from this point also. You meet the center point. You see, this is the upper part of the suit sleeve. Like as you can see here, this is the upper part of a suit sleeve. As you can see here, this is what you're having here also, and this is what you're also having here. So this is the upper part of the suit sleeve. So thereafter, you go ahead to start drawing the necessary thing you need to do. You come down here at the base where you have your bend. You come down here, you mark 1 inch. You come up by also 6 inches. You mark that region, then you go in also by 1 inch. Then with your ruler, you are going to mark like so. Watch what I'm doing. Watch closely. See, you curve it this way, you bend it this way, you draw a line, then you connect this line to this other 1 inch you have here. Hope you're coming close to what I'm doing. You see, this is what we have. Then now we're going to be connecting this to this point, and this is how we're going to be connecting this to this point, and this is how we're going to go about it. With your suit sleeve pattern, you can achieve that. Even without your suit sleeve pattern, you can also achieve that using your freehand sketch. But I'm going to use my suit sleeve pattern. See, I'm connecting this point to this point. This is what we will have thereafter. You can see how it's looking. You can see how it's looking. So now this other point. Now the total circumference of the curve is very, very important when you want to make suit. The total circumference of this curve is 10 inches. 10 inches curve circumference. Curve circumference like what you're having here. The curve circumference, you see, is 10 inches. When you measure the entire thing, is 10 inches for this client. This is still the same 10 inches. So let's assume this client is having a curve of 10 inches. What we do, divide 10 by 2 is giving us 5. Then that 5, we are going to be adding seam allowance and folding allowance. So let's see what we'll do. So since it is 5, we're going to minus this one we have here by doing like this. You see, because this line with this will cause a close proximity. So now we're going to be putting that 5 here. Remember, we said 10 divided by 2, so this is a 5. Then that 5, we're going to be adding 2 inches. That 2 inches is the seam allowance. We're adding 2 inches seam allowance because this is the lateral piece of the suit sleeve, the wider part. This is the part we're cutting, this wider part of the suit sleeve, because the suit sleeve contains two pieces. So this is the first piece, the wider part we're cutting first. So we're adding 2 inches. This is 2 inches. You see? So the total thing we are having here is 8.5. So now we are going to come up here, this region. We are going to mark the same 8 inches we had here. We are going to mark it here. Because we are going to mark from here to here. Sorry, we are having 7.5 inches here. So we're going to come here, we're going to mark 7.5 inches. You see? Now we're going to connect this entire thing with our sleeve pattern. So let's connect and see how it is. So you can see how this is. This is a suit sleeve. This is a jacket sleeve. A jacket sleeve for a suit. Now, a suit does not just look straight, the sleeve. Look at this suit sleeve very well. It's not just straight, you know, it has this curve appearance. It's just went this a little bit slanty this way. So it's not like normal senator outfit or any other casual outfit. It has this slant this way. So now that is what we want to achieve here. When you want to achieve that, you come up here by half inches. You see? Then you connect with a straight line. You connect with a straight line. See? This is wow. So now I'm going to be cleaning up all the excesses we have, all the excess ink we have on this board, so you can see how fantastic it is. Watch this. I'm cleaning up this. You see, I'm cleaning up this. I'm cleaning up this. You see, I'm cleaning up this also. I'm cleaning up this also. I'm cleaning up this. I'm cleaning up all this. So now, check this out. This is a professional way of cutting the suit sleeve. This is the bigger part. Now, if you want to get the smaller part, you go ahead to minus 2 inch from this region. Look at it. 2 inch. Come here, you minus 2 inch. You come here, you minus 2 inch also. Then you go ahead to connect this line with your suit sleeve pattern. You see? If you have gained value so far in this training, please don't hesitate to hit the subscription button so that I will also be encouraged to put you through in this line of learning how to do suit with ease. Do well to also click on the notification bell. If you have any comment, do well to drop your comment in the comment section. I will not hesitate to comment back through your comments. So now we are going to draw a curve from here. See, just like so, just like so. We'll blend it like this. You see how it is. So this is a perfect suit sleeve. With this, you have gotten the bigger part of the suit sleeve and the smaller part of the suit sleeve. Then you can go ahead, start making suit sleeve for your clients professionally. You see, let me put this on and let's see what it is. You see what it is. You see, it is giving, man. It's giving. So don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see you in my other videos. I have fantastic videos in my channel. You can go ahead to enjoy yourself.